Hello and welcome back. Another update on gold. So we were expecting yesterday gold to bounce after the Fed rate decision. We got some weaknesses on gold yesterday after the Fed rate decision, but today we are having the move. All right. So let's quickly look at what's happening on gold chart. All right. So this is gold dollar. That's gold Australian dollar. That's gold New Zealand dollar. That's gold yen, gold euro, gold chief, and gold pound. So my trend line is just missing over there. So let's draw there. Gold cat. Gold is simply making an opportunity, which we were talking about yesterday. So gold, silver. All right. So silver is making the move. So we're gonna look at the silver first, and then we're gonna talk about the gold, guys. So at the start of the week, we started to see drop on silver from somewhere here, right, at this 24, right? So the closing date was 24 there, and then we started to see fall on silver, and we tagged that low at 45.50, all right, and then we started to move back up. So currently silver is just trying to close above that weekly high, right? So weekly high was there and it's just trying to close above that. So let me check that. All right, so weekly chart, the trend is very strong bullish. Okay, so there we can see there that the weekly candle is so bullish, it's super bullish. All right, very aggressive bullish for upside. So what you're actually looking is to this price. All right, so silver to hit the 49.50. all right, it's broken out this flag. We were expecting that to break out, and then this 15-minute flag, we were expecting it to break out. We got a breakout. We got this breakout of that top, right? And we're expecting silver to continue to keep climbing higher, okay, all the way back to that back to that top, close, even close above that top. All right, today or maybe tomorrow, this week, the higher silver goes will be a sign that gold is lagging, all right, and gold can catch up the silver for upside. That's the point. That's why we are looking at the silver, right? So I'm gonna open the other chart, gold chart on my right side, make it correct. All right, so there we can see that. So we are going higher on gold, on silver and gold as well. So if I'm gonna pull out my fib lines there to there, and the weekly top, the weekly start is here, all right, and the top is there on the gold, the top which we are expecting 41.60. all right, so gold is still behind the silver. Okay, this is the weekly top. Silver is just breaking through that weekly top, right, while gold is still behind. Again, we may see a catch-up move. This catch-up move can appear over there on gold, and gold can tag that 41. And even if we see that the silver hit that 49.50, right, this price, then we're gonna look for gold to hit that 41.60 target as well. All right, so this is what you are having. This is what your lead is. All right, that's your lead. Okay, we are having some other gold pairs. They are nicely catching up the silver. Okay, if I'm gonna look at the gold yen, okay, let's draw that top, this low, and if I'm gonna pull out the fib lines from there to here, where is the weekly top? Let's pull out the weekly chart. Look at this place for 628. all right, so 628 is here. Okay, so this top, and this is where the 628. all right, so this is the weekly top. So we are well above this low yesterday, I was talking about this low, right? So we went lower, correction which we were talking about in the yesterday, video. So we got a nice break above this and heading towards that weekly top. All right, and this is also your sign or lead. We can say that the gold against the dollar should catch up and continue to keep heading towards 41.60. All right, so right now I'm expecting gold to rise against the yen and just simply follow the silver and hit this top. All right, this top which is at 636. If gold even close this week close to this price, all right, it's going to be a strong bullish and we can even head towards that all-time high or even can break. We'll see in coming days. Okay, but this is where you are paying attention. Okay, and opportunity was there yesterday, as I said that. Okay, we had that drop, so opportunity is still there. Okay, this is the weekly top and you are still looking for gold to continue to keep climbing higher. Yeah, so I'm gonna look at the right this place. All right, so I don't think so it's gonna tag these areas again, but in case if it hit these areas, all right, you're looking this, all right, this kind of formation. Okay, so I don't think so we're gonna have that move. All right, and I'm expecting that the price going to continue to keep pushing higher, as we can see that the silver is heading higher. But if even gold is going to visit this low, right? So 39.60 going to be a good price to watch for upside, right? And continue to keep going higher all the way back to that top. All right, so doing good. All right, still behind the silver. All right, so it can catch up, it can go higher. So this is much behind. All right, so we're gonna see that where is the weekly top. The weekly top is there, a lot to catch. All right, so same again like the gold. All right, if it goes down, I'm not anticipating another leg lower, but in case if that happens, you are looking for this to continue. So right now we are expecting this move to continue to keep happening. All right, so same goes with this chart. It's heading higher, looking for that breakout. We got a breakout, this breakout. All right, this 15-minute breakout was there, so we got that. We were expecting, I was looking at that chart, so we got a breakout and price is slightly struggling over there. Now we are expecting it to just break through and continue its bullish direction. All right, so this is also catching up, looking it to continue. All right, looking it to continue, catching up. Yeah, pound was weak yesterday against gold. All right, we got a correction because of the Fed rate, the CN. No more headwinds on gold, continue to keep pushing higher. All right, positive trade talks cause gold to drop between China and USA. All right, no more headwinds, and continue to keep grinding higher. All right, this is your weekly top where you're expecting it to at least hit before closing of this week. Talked about the silver. That's it. These are your gold update. We'll see you back. Bye.